This is my solution. If you have a better one, please let us know in the comments. Right click on the recording that you want to leave, find in media pool, Alt+F. After that, when you see where it is, right click on it, open file location. As we can see, it's 009. The other ones, you just simply mark them, hit Shift plus Delete, and we will be deleted entirely. Click yes, close the window, and now you can see they're all in red. Hit and hold Ctrl and left click on the others, hit delete. After that, hit and hold Ctrl, left click on the others here, delete them. Again, if you have a better solution, please let us know in the comments.